Hello guys, a second attempt, as usual. Hardware failed or software failed. This is about making a database in very short code, as usual in JavaX. First we're gonna install JavaX because it's such a quick and simple process. Get this one jar file and you're all set up. What's a CRUD? A CRUD is a create, read, update and delete system, which is just a standard database interface. Earlier we used to say maintenance mask, Pflegemaske in German. My father will remember this word, I think. Nowadays they say CRUD. This is what you need, obviously, to use any database to make edits in it. So JavaX is here. How do we make a program? Create.javax. No, create.tinybrain.de. Just go here, you need to log in, that's all you need. And enter your program. Category is not important, it's just for organizing stuff. This is the language level, JavaX level 7, it's 7 times as good as Java. And we just make a class for the objects you want to hold in our database. Let's make a database of penguins. And what we have to say is concept instead of class. One little thing you have to remember, because concepts are the persistable Java classes. Otherwise we just put stuff in here. The penguin has a name, it's a string. You can just write S in JavaX. It has some age and some height. Penguin database. Now we need a main program, which is introduced with P in JavaX. P for program or for public static void main. In fact, you can write this even. All shorter than in Java. And we need one line, this line, to make the persistent database. It means that all the concepts you make are supposed to be stored in the program specific directory. Stored and loaded automatically. So, what we want to do, we want to show the CRUD, the interface to the user, and we have a simple function in JavaX. Simple CRUD. That's all person. No. Penguin. Penguin is also a person, right? We click create, it's automatically saved on the server, and we can transpile if we have the necessary rights. I can give you these rights if you want. Otherwise it will be compiled locally, which is fine too. Yeah, success means it's valid JavaX code. This is the Java code generated, 8,000 and something lines. We start JavaX. And it shows this is the latest software. There is our program. We can just run it. You can also make programs private. This is a public one by default. You can mark them private, log in here, and then only you can run your programs. It has made a nice title for the window. It's called Penguins. Penguins, made plural. And here is our update, create, delete functions. Penguin is Linux, is 5 years old and 20 something high, inch, feet, I don't even know the size of penguins. Here it is. So also has also saved to disk. Let's restart the program and see if it will still have our data. Yeah, that's it. It still has the data. We can also delete and edit. Penguin is now 6 years old. And there we go. Don't tell me this isn't simple. Simple CRUD. This is the class behind it. It's also very short. The class for the GUI. You can extend this class easily. It has make components and save data. And these two functions determine what kind of form you get, the form of the text fields. You could put any other component in here, leave the rest as it is. And you can extend this CRUD, no problem, very easy. Where is the database stored? It's called in a folder called JavaX data. Here's the ID of the program, and this is the data. This is gzip, the actual data. This is a counter for how many objects you made. And you can even look inside if the operating system allows this. This is some text representation of the Java objects. The Java objects can be completely complicated, referencing to each other, containing arrays and maps and lists and what have you. It's really not a problem. My serializer serializes everything. Yeah. I hope I make you like this a little bit. I never want to program in pure Java. I want to program this way because really, this is so much more powerful. Databases are at the core of everything, right? Especially artificial intelligence, the way I see it. Really everything is in a database. These databases are held in memory, but memory is big, and for, tell me an application where your data does not really fit in memory. It can be handled other ways then, but this is usually not a problem whatsoever. So, let me know what you think. Join the bandwagon.